Hello my dear friends, today I'm going to show you what are the best software for 3D printing. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. In my list, the first option is AutoDesk Fusion 360. This is best for comprehensive 3D design and printing. Consider about key features. You can design with parameters to create complex geometrics and use sculpting tools to create organic shapes and analyze the strength and performance of your model and share and collaborate with team members and integrated computer aided manufacturing tools and ideal for professionals who need advanced tools for industrial design, engineering and manufacturing. This will cost around $49 per month or $382 per year. Second one in this list is Blender, and you can download that using https www.blender.org. So consider about this one. This is best for creative and artistic application. And the key features are 3D modeling. You can comprehensive tools for creating detailed 3D models and rigging and animating models for films and games and video editing. That means it has a built-in video editing tools and it has powerful sculpting tools for creating intricate designs and it has customizable with numerous add-ons and plugins. So it is perfect for artists, animators and designers who need a robust tool for creative projects. And this is completely free. You can download this using just tap on this download button. And in the third option is TinkerCAD. This is best for beginners and educational purposes. And this has a user-friendly interface, simple drag and drop tools you can use for this one, and no installation required. You can run it in the web browser and pre-made shapes to simplify the design process, and it has direct export option for 3D printing. And this one is excellent for students, hobbyists and anyone new to 3D design. And this also completely free. You can use this in browser with just you need to sign up or log into account only. And the fourth option is FreeCAD. You can download this one using https www.freecad.org. Then and this is best for engineering and technical applications. It has parametric modeling, that means create models that are easily editable and extend functionality with various modules, example as for architecture, mechanical engineering kind of things, and community driven with constant updates and support many file formats for import and export. So this is more suitable for engineers and technical users who require precision and flexibility. And this one is also completely free. You can just tap and download this application. And next one is SolidWorks. I think you heard about this one, and this is best for professional and industrial application. Consider about features. This has advanced CAD tools, comprehensive design and modeling tools, and test and analyze design for performance, and it has an integrated PDM, that means product data management tools for collaboration, and the technical drawings, that mean create detailed technical drawing and documentation. So this is ideal for professional engineering, aerospace, automotive and other industrial require precise high performance tools. And this one cost around $1,395 per year. And in the my list, next one is SketchUp. So this is best for hobbyistic and small projects. So consider about key features. It has an initiative and easy to learn interface and access to a vast library of pre-made models, and it has enhanced functionality with various plugins, and you can create presentation document and detailed drawings. And this is great for artists, interior designers and design enthusiasts working on small to medium projects. And consider about pricing. The basic plan is completely free and pro plan is $300 per year. And the last one is Cura. This is place flow, slicing and preparing models for printing. Consider about key features. This has wide printer support, that means compatible with many 3D printers, and it has a customizable setting That means fine-tune printing parameters for optimal result, and it has an integrated workflow. That means easy transition from model to print, and this is completely open source. So this is essential for users looking to slice and optimize their models for 3D printing. And this one is completely free application. So these are the 7 application I was found that is best for 3D printing. So if you know much better applications for 3D printing, just mention those in comment section. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. Please consider subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.